Whenever,
While
okay.
government may have its way, the opposition ought to have its say, Madam Speaker. You have an opportunity in your discretion to permit us to put on the public record our views on a matter of critical subject and importance.
Now I will say. Get him! Ah, my. My Lord, 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 my Lord. I mean, all over me. You think it's right? Do you think it's right? Honorable members, remove that member from this place. Remove the honorable member for St. Barnabas from these proceedings. It has been moved and seconded that the business of this House be suspended until for 15 minutes. As many are in favor will remain seated. Those opposed will stand. You wreck me up? Disgusting.